Place is a unique initiative of London boroughs coming together to build new housing. Specifically, it is factory-built units which will be placed on sites that the jargon is meanwhile uses. These are sites which will eventually be used for other purposes, but for the next few years, they're available for housing. What that lets us do is use them for good quality homes that families who are currently on those councils' waiting lists and regarded as homeless can move into. Place's mission is set in the context of a huge housing crisis across the nation, but it's particularly acute in London. The number of families who are homeless and are the responsibility of local authorities, currently it's something like 45,000 families.
We live in a very populated area, so housing like this, accommodation, temporary or permanent, is essential within Tower Hamlets.
Increasingly we're finding you just cannot get affordable housing within the various benefit rules. Most people who are homeless are on benefits, sufficiently close to our boroughs. We want to provide housing that's close by, that is decent and that keeps families together.
I've been involved in surveying all the sites that hopefully we're putting these buildings onto, planning out the logistics. With it being a prototype, they wanted to get my feel for the units and find out where we could improve the product from an install point of view, from a finishes point of view, to make it more streamlined.
It can be difficult to get sites through the planning process or to identify suitable sites for permanent housing, so meantime uses are a good idea. It can be moved around anyway, due to last I think 60 years.
It's really great actually. It's something that you could see a family making a home in, which is really important because temporary accommodation shouldn't be that it's of temporary standards. It should be about making a home, and it's a fantastic development. I was really pleased to see how big the balconies were actually and how it connected. I think it's a very simplistic design, which is good because better it can be replicated.
We wanted this to be a good family home, so lots of detail into ensuring that there's good circulation space, that you maximise the availability of the space that you're using.
Absolutely brilliant quality, brilliant space, brilliant design, and hopefully will make a really big difference to the lives of some of our homeless families.